Hey guys, today we're gonna talk about Pixar has just released once again this movie in a 3-disc combo pack, 2 Blu-rays and 1 DVD, and comes with a really nice slipcover. Everything's embossed, it looks really great. So let's take this one, let me show you here. Fantastic design, really nice. Here's the back cover. Comes with different movie rewards, so even if you bought the previous one, you can always get this one and put more rewards in your account. But the slipcover, I know most of you like to collect this slipcover. This one is a must-have. Really nice, colorful. Alright, so let's take a look in the case, the disc, and the artwork inside. Okay, so here we have the rewards code, Disney movie rewards, and here's just talking about the Disney 3D. No artwork, but here we have WALL-E disc 1 Blu-ray, disc 2 also Blu-ray, the special features, and this is the DVD. The first thing that I notice here is that in the back it says region free ABC, and on the slipcover as well, right there, ABC, but the disc is exactly the same. It just has region A, so I don't really know which one to trust, the discs or the back cover. Since the previous one was region free, I'm gonna guess this one is also region free. Just remember that, of course, DVD is region 1. Let's take a look in the special features. So everything seems to be in order. All the special features are here, which means it's exactly the same as the previous release. So if you already bought the other one, don't even bother getting this one because it's all the same. Audio, subtitles, and special features. Alright guys, thanks again for watching my videos, and stay tuned for much more Blu-ray updates every week right here at Blue Collection.